Okay, guy, let's start. I'm sorry, I have a phone call. Yes, now let's start with the third cylinder. And the value after I have cranked it for 4 revolution is 190. They will write it down 190 psi. Yes. And then the next is that you will use some engine oil to do the wet. Here is it. Yes. Okay. Some engine oil. Then re-plug this. I can remember that I buy this tool, this kit, with around 20, yes, 20 US dollar from a local parts store. And then release the pressure. I will crank it for 4 revolution more. Wow, so good. Yes, nearly 210 psi. Wow, so high. 210 psi. Wow, so good. Yes, the value is so good. Yeah, number 3, it is higher than the previous 2. And then number 4, with the dry one. Okay, yes, I will show you more clearly. Release it. Okay, now let's crank it for the dry one. What is it? 175 for a dry. Piston number 4, 175. Yes, here's that. Okay, then we do the wet one. Here is it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, just some engine oil. Then plug it again. Okay, this is the wet one. I will release this, release its pressure. For revolution. Alrighty. What is it? Yes, the same. 210 psi. What? You can see here 210 psi. Yes, already done. Already done for the test. Yes, now I will plug it again. Yes, the value here. I will release the pressure. Okay, very good. And you can see I push this and release the connector. And this is just use our hand to turn it. Yes, here. Okay, already done. Okay, and then the 4 spark plug. I will plug, tighten them on again. One. Number 2, engine number 2, are you okay? I'm ready? Yes. Turn them. Some more. Yes. Number 2. And then number 3. Some more. Yes, a little. Okay. Number 4. We can say that all 4 engine is so good. All of them have good compression. If your region is smaller than 150, it means that your engine has problem. Now the first is this. The first, and the second is this. The second, plug it here, hang it here. The third, yes, hang it here. And the fourth, yes, hang it here. Oh, it is original from Honda. And then brake connecting, the ignition system. Yes, now if you crank the engine, it will start and run smoothly. Okay, already done. Yes, okay, let me show you the result of our compression test. Here you can see cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4 dry and wet. Cylinder 1 is 180 dry, 190 wet. Cylinder number 2 180 dry, 195 wet. Number 3 190 dry, 210 wet. Number 4 175 dry, 210 psi wet. So all of the compression value here is very good. Whenever your value is lower than 150, yes, it means that your cylinder has trouble with it. Yes, and you can see the value from our test is here. It is a very good value. Yes, and before we end, I will show you the kit. Yes, kit here already. This connector and this adapter. Yes, with this water of oil, engine oil. Yeah. Okay, that is what we have done for the compression test. Yes, after I do the compression test, I can see that my engine is at a very good condition. Yes, and if you have any doubts about any of your engine, you can use this compression test. You can detect which engine of it has problem. Okay, I think that is all what we do for a compression test, and I think that's enough for this video. And thank you all of you so much for watching. Yes, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Yes.